Okay, guys. I just want to do a quick briefing on the Thursday trading. All right, super easy. All right. So in the pre-market, this is Thursday on August 25th. So on the pre-market, we saw that there's a falling wedge going on down here, and forming is a pretty good setup as well. And then right after it broke this level, I thought that hey, maybe this falling wedge is probably gonna be a fake, like right below this level, right? It went down, and then I sense like a little bit. There's some kind of like demand zone over here, yeah, a demand zone somewhere right on the bottom of this thing. This is the range, and this is the bottom of the range from this green wick down here, right? I kind of sense it, like I was thinking like, oh, maybe I'm gonna short, and then right at it touches the demand zone, they start giving like a bullish confirmation, but I wasn't quite sure. So I long at this zone right here, at long at this candle, and then right as soon as I saw this red candle dipping down, I closed my position, and then I actually took a loss, which is kind of stupid. And then right as soon as it broke the trend, I didn't take a long as well. I was gonna like, oh, maybe it's gonna retest to the trend and it's gonna bounce up. Apparently, it just goes straight up. So at this moment, I was just waiting for a bull flag. Yeah. So I made a call right here. The first one, it was a very little call. So I long this thing all the way up here, and then I was just thinking that, hey, we have a key level up here, right? You have a key level from the previous high, went down and up, and then I saw this big green candle leaving the 8 moving average pretty high. So I trimmed my position, some of it, and then apparently it created a bull flag, something like this, right? It went back up, another bullish engulfing, somewhere right here. And this is the moment when I start like, this bull flag has just been completed. So I long pretty heavy on this thing, expecting like, I don't know, from the bottom, SPY is like 414, and then at this level, SPY is around 416. So I'm expecting usually the average through range of a SPY is around $3. So I'm expecting like another $3 move. And then I was doing my homework right here, that we have a key level right on this candle. Like we go up and then we stop right here. So I guess this is pretty significant because we are respecting the breakout of this range, right? We broke out of this range and then it create a resistance on the top right here. So I was expecting like, hey, maybe we're gonna be back at this high, right? So I long my position right here, expecting it to be at 417, the previous high. I trim heavily over here and then leave some of them going. So right after this bears engulfing, I close all of my position because it's already been like a $3 move, right? So I was looking for short on QQQ on Thursday. So I was kind of like, okay, maybe I already made enough money today. So I was thinking like, hey, I might just short it. So I short it right here. I went negative for about like 7%. And remember, we have a demand zone down here, right? Usually demand zone is when you find the range, the top of the range and the bottom of the range, right? Bottom of the range, somewhere right here. So we have demand zone, and then I showed it over here, expecting it to go back down to the demand zone. Look how much profit did I make from 319 all the way down to 316. All right. Remember, supply and demand is probably one of the best uh, trading strategy you probably can use, right? So I showed it over here, went negative, back down. I think I trimmed half of it just for my safety, just in case it went back up again. So I trim, and then I let the rest go to back at the demand zone. So I think like I didn't take the profit fully right at the demand zone. I think I took profit somewhere right here at this key level, right? Took all the profit, and then that's it. I was done for the day. So just letting you know, this trade was kind of like a little bit risky. If you want to be a bit more safe, I would recommend probably using the candlestick movement. These two bears engulfing, you have two confirmation of this is going down, right? So that's it for today's video.